Fighters come to the center of the ring.
Rodlek looking big. Wide body. A lot smaller, though, than Seksan. Seksan, of course, 200 fights. Rodlek, 139. Not much of a discrepancy. Champions in their own right. Belt on the line, round one. 5 3-minute rounds. Here we go. Great aggression early from both fighters. Long jab from Seksan. Let's see if he works behind that jab. Good body shot there. Seksan using the jab up high and down low. He's so crisp, so clean in his strikes. Great check right there. Again to the body, Seksan.
Seksan trying to establish dominance early in the fight.
Both fighters attacking tentatively here, not really linking any combos together. A feeling out process right now. But good aggression here in round one. Love that body rip there by Seksan. Inside leg kick, outside leg kick. Rodlek trying to get some success here. Oh, but a spinning back flip. Wow! Seksan with a spinning back elbow early. Rodlek shakes it off. A beautiful body rip again from Seksan. Goes up top next time, eats a leg kick. Another spinning back elbow. Going for the kill. Caught and aggressive there. That right leg kick, right punch combination. I love it. This is high-level Muay Thai at its finest right now. Seksan in the red, Rodlek in the blue. WBC Muay Thai title on the line. Standing toe-to-toe. Rodlek caught it. What's he going to do? Lets it go. Smile from Seksan. He knew it. Great defense by the red corner. Neither one wants to clinch this early in the fight. Again, 5 3-minute rounds. And round one in the book. Round number 2.
Great push kick from Rodlek right off the bat there.
Yeah, we'll see a lot more aggression from him here in this round, I guarantee it. A little bit of urgency from him. Seksan, though, calm, cool, collected. Beautiful kick there. What a heavy body shot. Oh, really dug into that right. Rodlek finding some good work on that combo. 2 minutes 30 seconds left here in round number 2. Big step knee by Seksan. Backs Rodlek to the corner. Rodlek digs to the body. Look for some elbows inside. Pummeling inside Rodlek. Good knees there by Seksan, staying active. Referee has seen enough. Both fighters with venom on these strikes. Great combination there by Rodlek to the body, goes up top. Seksan now trying to work in the clinch. Excellent knee, bullying his opponent against the ropes. Elbow over the top maybe. Seksan was in position. He goes for the knee instead. Referee has seen enough. WBC title on the line. Seksan in the red, Rodlek in the blue. Beautiful step. And an elbow inside as well by Seksan. And now a body rip step in by Rodlek. Standing right in the pocket and ripping now. Seksan finding a lot of success with that knee. There it is again, punishing. And a spinning back elbow working off that jab. That jab has been working all day. Oh! Axe kick misses. Double knee now. Seksan is firing on all cylinders, folks.
Seksan's doing a great job maintaining dominance so far. Locked up, still throwing the knees in there. Rodlek was not able to get a knee back into Seksan in that lockup just now. Oh.
30 seconds left in the round. Back and forth action now here in the clinch. Muay Thai 101. At its finest right here, these two modern day warriors. Referee's seen enough separate.
Seksan going for the takedown on the ropes though, could not get it. Just a few moments here left in the round. And that's it.
Heavy leg kicks both fighters to start the round. Yeah, a lot more output now by Rodlek, just like his corner asked for. He's delivering, great knee inside. Retaliation by Seksan, doubles up on it now. Seksan now inside, pummels inside, may see an elbow. Slap knee, look at Rodlek, bullying him against the ropes. Referee has seen enough, the crowd is going bananas. Two knees by Seksan, how grueling this work is. Pummeling their arms. Grappling, great body rip by Rodlek.
Now we have it, the lockup with the knees that is so famous in Muay Thai. You see that every night that you have a fight.
2 minutes left in round 3. 2 minutes left. Aggression by Seksan. Elbow over the top. Did it rock Seksan? Seems to have his wits with him right there. Draping the shin across Rodlek's midsection to negate any of that offense there. Referee separates him. Here we go. Reset. Great jab, step in knee. Push kick Seksan. God, that jab has been looking so pretty. Beautiful knee, Seksan. High guard both fighters, slap knee from the side. Seksan, 3 unanswered knees, referee separates. Flying knee, Seksan. Beautiful jab, step in knee, that has been his combination. Rodlek with an elbow inside. This is a dogfight, John. Oh, huge elbows over the top. Slicing and dicing now. Beautiful brutality. Seksan may be cut or it may be the lights. You need to take a second look. Beautiful right hand. There's that knee from Seksan punishing the side of Rodlek again. Bullies him in the corner. Both fighters concede to the ref.
A lot of knees back and forth there. Seksan dishing out a lot more than he's taken.
45 seconds left in the round. Yep, great defense there by Seksan. Gets 2 knees in, drapes his shin across the midsection. Rodlek finding success with his hands this round. That knee is low. There it is again. Trading elbows, both fighters. It's a war. 20 seconds left.
These guys are not slowing down. Knees back and forth. Another elbow from Seksan.
Banging back and forth. Great right hand there by Rodlek on the inside. Wow.
Look at the audience just break into applause for both these great fighters.
My Lord. He will be as dangerous if he throws caution to the wind. Throws some heavy elbows. Can knock anyone out. Oh, pause in action.
The problem with the glove right there. Rodlek needs his gloves retied by the ref here. Short pause in the action. It's okay. We can wait a few seconds to see these guys beat each other's heads in.
And you hear the cornerman screaming.
All right, we're back at it.
Huge right hand by Rodlek. That's what I'm talking about. If he throws caution in the wind. Heavy knee kicks, big elbow inside Rodlek. There's that teep kick, keeping him away. Defensive now. Throw them hands, Rodlek. There you go. Seksan bullies him against the ropes. Another solid knee from the red corner. Another one. Putting the pressure on. Seksan will not go to full prevent defense. Not yet. He's
clearly ahead in points.
Flying knee.
Another flying knee.
Rodlek, vicious elbows over the top.
He's already ahead in points, but I think Seksan is going for the knockout as well in this fight.
They're going to bully each other, make it a dog fight. Let's see. Good
Another
kick.
keep kick.
Working behind that jab, doubles up on that right kick, and we're back into the clinch. Rodlek almost dumps him out of the ropes, Royal Rumble style. This is a war. WBC Muay Thai title on the line. Such aggression from Seksan, trying to seal the deal. There's that vicious elbow, that right hand. Can't get the trim, rips to the body, Rodlek. Huge combinations here, the crowd getting behind him. The boy in blue, giving it his all. Seksan now peppering him. Rifle shots inside, ref pries him apart. That's it. Seksan working behind that beautiful jab. That right hand by Rodlek has been landing heavy all night. Elbow inside, is it enough? Oh, 4 unanswered knees. Muay Thai at its finest. Wow.
Look at everyone holding up their fingers. They're counting it right along with you, Teddy.
Less than a minute left in the round. Another knee. Beautiful brutality.
2,
It's
3,
a dog fight.
4.
Over the top, Rodlek, excuse me, over the top. Seksan holding on for a little bit longer, trying to get that time wasted. About 30 seconds left. Vicious elbow inside.
Seksan
busted him open.
That elbow just ripped his face right open. Seksan's going for the knees. Rodlek throws in that elbow.
Seksan gushing blood. Wow. Look at the gambling pits. Going bananas. Another knee from Seksan. Round 5. 5th and final round. WBC Muay Thai title on the line. Seksan in the red. Rodlek in the blue. We have a war on our hands. Seksan on the back foot.
Seksan's wound already reopened.
Yes, it has. Huge knee by Rodlek.
Rodlek with the flying knee, giving Seksan a taste of his own medicine.
Flying knee from Seksan now, back and forth action. Referee saves them from going out of the ropes.
This guy gushing blood from the face, still enjoying every moment of it.
Too. Seksan working that jab, working that knee. It's been golden all night. Rodlek now aggression in the clinch. Referee separates. Rodlek really chasing the fight. Great body lock by Seksan. Knees back and forth. Both fighters trading. Yeah. Seksan's gonna waste a couple seconds. 1:35 left in the round. Great jab work by Seksan. Story of the fight for me. And those step-in knees. Let's see if Seksan's gonna hold a second longer. There he does it. 1:20 left. Seksan full prevent defense now. Rodlek chasing. Does he have it in him? One of those elbows can say goodnight, and he can take this title home.
Seksan protecting his face there.
About a minute left. Beautiful right hand by Rodlek. Whoa! Spinning elbow. That one connected. Missed his first two. That one ricocheted off his forehead. Both fighters going for the kill shot. This is it. You hear that drum. 40 seconds left. Goes for a takedown. Headshot. Just missed. Rodlek chasing. The warrior spirit. Seksan beautifully displaying his defense right now and his skill, footwork. Look at him. Oh, we're going to see a touch of the gloves. Oh, Seksan asked for a touch of the glove. Rodlek says no. He'd rather fight this out. No dancing. 10 seconds, about 10 seconds left. Rodlek maybe another clash. Let's see.
Has Rodlek got anything left in him?
That's it. There we go, folks. We go to the judges' scorecard for a decision. WBC Muay Thai title on the line.
What?
Phoenix 7.
What a battle.
What a battle. Seksan in the red. Rodlek in the blue. Judges' scorecard for a decision. Grant Waterman will tell you what we have. Wow, what a fight. Take a look at that action.
Seksan was so dominant there in the first few rounds. But holy cow, did Rodlek come back with a vengeance.
Waiting for the judges.
So hard to call. I'm gonna say Seksan had those first 3 rounds. Let's see what the judges say. WBC World Boxing Council Muay Thai title on the line here.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we announce the decision, please make some noise for both these fantastic warriors. What a fight!
Just amazing sportsmanship from both fighters there. Seksan looking pretty happy and confident about his showing in this fight.
All right, judges' scorecards are in.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the championship belts for this contest is the president of Phoenix Fighting Championship, Mr. Shahei Yerevanyan, and the director of the WBC, Kiat Kunchana Siragal. And after 5 incredible rounds of action, we go to the judges' scorecards. And we have a unanimous decision in favor of your winner, and still WBC World Muay Thai Champion, Seksan Or Kwanmuang!
And there you have it. Seksan Or Kwanmuang, the champion, retains his title, WBC Muay Thai title. That beautiful gold draped across his chest. What a war, what a battle. Seksan, congratulations. Another accolade to the many hanging on his wall. What a champion, what a gladiator.